there, and welcome to EP. Here you are going to start on the homepage. This is where you can find back-to-school guidance, your classes, and helpful resources. If you do not already see your classes synced by your IT team, use the Create Class button to get started creating your first class. Then, fill out your class details. You can always change this later. Now your class will appear in the My Classes section. Now you can start to plan your year ahead using our course planner. Discover topics and add them as you see fit. Adjust the topics as needed by dragging and dropping into the term. In Discover, you can search by curriculum, subject, and year. If you don't see what you're looking for, check out the library as well for subjects like humanities. Each topic will contain the learning for that unit. Once you click a lesson, you will be able to preview all of the learning. Our written questions are now AI compatible and offer guidance to students while they are working through the content. Here's an example of how they would use this feedback as guidance while learning. In Discover, you are also able to use the search bar to find more content. Additionally, with your account, you have a variety of curriculums to use to supplement your program. Here's an example of our Interactions and Ecosystems unit you can leverage at any time. Add it to your course planner. That also applies to anything in our library. Once students start working through their assigned work, you will receive a progress report. Here is where you can track students' progress, accuracy, and submissions. You can view this in the Classwork tab under Tasks. You can review students' answers here and leave written or verbal feedback. You can also monitor real-time progress. Our EP Create AI authoring tool allows you to create quick check-ins or quizzes using curriculum and prompts. You can add images, video, or media to the questions to assist students. Then, click Assign. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit www.educationperfect.com.